Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2002-2060. The error message reads, "The software was closed because an error occurred." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch any games on the Nintendo Switch and results in the game crashing. Some users have reported experiencing this issue frequently, particularly while playing Animal Crossing: New Horizons, ACNH. According to our research, this error could be caused by outdated software, corrupted game files, or issues with the SD card. To deal with the error, first make sure that both your Nintendo Switch console and game software are updated to their latest versions. If an update is available, install it and check if the error persists. If everything is up to date, try validating the game files to check for any corrupted or missing files. Then check if the error still comes. Some users also have found that SD card issues can trigger this error, so check if the data on your SD card is corrupted. If the issue still occurs, uninstall and reinstall the game. When doing this, make sure you delete only the game software and not your saved data. To double-check when deleting the game, ensure that Save Data is not selected for removal. Once the game is reinstalled, check if the error still persists. If none of these solutions work, you may need to consider checking with Nintendo support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.